We just made voiceovers a lot better. There is a new scriptwriter, over 100 new voice actors, and you can now add pauses anywhere in your voiceover. You can still write your script manually, or let the scriptwriter do the first draft. The scriptwriter asks a few basic questions about the content and the property, things like the type of listing and what you want to highlight. For this example, I add a few key points I want to mention in the video. The scriptwriter creates a first draft. From here, you can leave comments, edit the text yourself, or use quick shortcuts. In this case, I just want a shorter script. It generates a new version for me. If it looks good, just click Use. You can still make changes later in the editor. You can also add pauses inside the voiceover. Pauses from half a second up to 3 seconds can be added directly in the text. You can also add longer pauses, up to 60 seconds, at the beginning or the end. Once the script feels right, move on to choosing a voice actor. There are now over 100 voices available in more than 30 languages. You can filter voices by language. And even by accent, age, and gender. When you hover over a voice, you will see the primary language and any additional languages they speak. Many voices are fluent in several languages, even if it is not their main one. You can preview each voice, and when you find one you like, just click Use. After that, generate the voiceover. You can listen to the script live at the bottom of the screen. If you want to do changes, just edit the text and generate the voiceover again.